Hey guys, it's Alik, NatureWithAlik over here at Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard. Welcome to all of you around the world. Today we're gonna show you just the building the trellises and mixing the soil. Okay, so that's gonna be a crash course for you to get ready for this one. Springtime, lots of orders right now. We just completed another order, and I want to share with you how we do it and what we do and just all the secrets and everything. So first of all, we go to Lowe's, Home Depot, we buy expensive red wood. Okay, so it's 2x4 frame made from 2x4, and it's exactly 24 inches. Okay, so 24 with the sides. Okay, so you take sides, so it's going to be internal is at 24 inches. Okay, so it's pretty good size of the frame. Just follow me because we're going to show you more improvements what we've done. Okay, and that's including, so basically you get 4x4 post. 4x4 post you can buy at Home Depot, Lowe's, 4x4 by 12 feet. Okay, and then you cut it in 3 pieces, or you can buy 4x4 by 8 and you cut it in half, and you're gonna get 4 feet post, an additional 2x4 frame, and you're gonna get the block. Okay, this block has Simpsons plates already inside the concrete block, and that's what the idea, because we're gonna start using the plastic sleeves to prevent from any water damage. We're gonna seal it completely around. No water will get access to the frame because we have a beautiful container is gonna be here. So it's heavy load. It's recommended 2 people work because it's involved power tools, chopping saw, drills, very heavy materials, and we pre-drill with the one drill. We pre-drill the frame over here. We pre-drill it at least probably couple inches, and we use 3 inches of the exterior heavy duty screws that goes inside. We use the wood glue, so it's gonna be solid structure. And just follow me. At the end I'm gonna show you the extra supports that we do. So this is 45-gallon containers, nice and strong. It's gonna last you forever. Easy to move, easy to grab, and we rotate. You're getting so many tips right now because we rotate the containers every couple months to get the sun exposure 180 degrees. So the sun goes east to west, and then we rotate, so make sure the branches will grow and the flowers will produce all year round around the plant. Okay, so remember, 45-gallon container, 2, 3 or 4 plants, whatever you want. Don't get crazy, 2 is best. Redwood, 4x4 post, 2x4 frame. We're gonna show you later the extra support. Plastic sleeve goes over, and the concrete block with the Simpsons plate. 50 pounds. Heavy job. We come over to your job site, we'll install everything, and the plant you don't have to worry about next 20 years. This is the chopping tool that we use over here. Okay, so that's what we chop the wood and plastic. We use Makita. We use power tools to pre-drill it. Okay, we pre-drill it, then we use the forcing the 3 inches screws into the wood. We use the glue over here, wood glue. Okay, and this is the section where we will plant. We will use containers and rooting the cuttings as well. We use the root hormone. We use the all-purpose fertilizers when we add to our beautiful cuttings to root them as well. So this is from IV Organics. This is a great product, guys. I'm sharing with you. Strong, powerful screws that everybody should know. Okay, nice and strong. Drill 3 screws each side 3 screws. We use the good organic mulch, no color, no any additives to it. Okay, so this is the section when we build it, and then we're gonna start to mix. This is our section of Sugar Dragon, American Beauty, self-pollinating plants, very valuable. So we protect, extra care, extra protection from the nature. This station we're mixing. We'll get back to this soil as well. I just want to show you guys that extra support that we do as well. So some of the frames that we're doing, I mean, everybody's building, doing little mistakes, but little by little every year we improve better and better. So we do the sides as well, so to prevent from any movement, you can, because the plant is going to be around 400 or 500 pounds with all the branches, with all the fruit, and you have to make sure it's nice and solid and strong. Okay, this is the soil next part. So that's what we mix over here. Nice, we're creating beautiful soil for the dragon fruits. We do the calyx organic. We try to deal with everything organically growing. Okay, so you got the potting mix. It has lots of nutrients. So if you plant it in a container, so use the potting mix. We got the chicken manure over here. We use the play sand. We use the all-purpose stone. And we're getting the perlite. Where I just saw the perlite. That's on the other side, yeah. And we're getting these bags of perlite. Okay, so this is all-purpose agriculture perlite, organic. So this is Omri sign. Look at the sign, Omri. Okay, so this is for organic gardening. Okay, and we mix this one in the pile. And there is a video in my previous video where you can see how to calculate the volume of the cylinder. Okay, and you can go to my previous videos how to build, and we mix it all together, 5-6 ingredients. Then we add the horse manure from our neighbors as well. You can show the horses over there, so they're happy to give us all their poop, and we just work and mix it all together and makes it nice and happy. Look at this soil, nice, loose, good, lots of fertilizer, lots of organic. Within a short period of time you're gonna see lots of worms growing inside, and that gives you good aeration in the soil, gives you good smells so good. I feel it organically grown product, and it gives you the aeration of the soil and gives you the casting, worms casting, and the best. You're going to be really happy to see that nature is growing in your containers, and the fruit is going to be really blowing and more fruit you're going to have on your plant. Look at the garden. Look how pretty it is. Everything nice and green. Springtime right now. There's still some fruit hanging there over there just for you to come over as a tourist. You can see the red fruit over there, see? And every day we get more and more customers. Thank you so much, guys, for your subscription to my channel. Thank you so much for visiting from all around the world. People coming from India last week, people calling me from Hawaii right now, people call me from East Coast to West Coast with ordering the plants, cuttings, ideas, and everything we'd like to share with you. Just you grow the big community of dragon fruit lovers, and this is superfruit will actually make a big market in America, so be self-sustainable, build it for a long time, build it for your kids and grandkids, and this is great fruit and great product to have it at your home. Thank you so much, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the notification buttons, click everything, give me comments, ask the questions, and I'll be happy to see you here at the Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard, Chabad of Thousand Oaks. Thank you for your support as well, and welcome. We're in California. Adios, all the best, guys.